Hi and welcome guys to today's vlog. It was supposed to be about the reveal from the new wheels from 59 North Wheels, but we had a little problem. So we were at the tire shop and I thought that we could go with the old tires on the new wheels. But the problem is the front wheels are 8.5 and we're going up to a 9.5. So a 205 35 18 doesn't fit on a 9.5 inch wheel. I ordered new tires and the post office actually have made them disappear. So I didn't get the tires for this weekend. And we're gonna jump right into the workshop where the cars are right now, and hope you like this content for today. So the car is jacked up and it's just waiting on its shoes. I'm sorry guys, I was so excited to actually get the tires on or the wheels onto the car, but nothing this weekend. But we have some stuff we have to do on both the Golf, on the Golf 3, and I actually have a Golf 3 Cabriolet also. And both of the headlights on those cars are actually painted with clear, so clear coat with tint in it. So I just add some black color to tint it so it looks like it's like tinted headlights. So that's the tint we do, or I do, on my headlights, and that's stupid because when you want to take it off you have to sand it away. So what we're gonna do now, we're actually gonna take off the headlights on the red car, and then we're actually gonna take it off on the cab. So the cab is up for maintenance. I'm just gonna make it perfect before we actually sell it. And in Sweden we have rules and regulations, as always in every country, but tinted headlights are not the favorite by the police and not by the inspection. So what we're gonna do today is actually sand the headlights down, and we're gonna put clear coat on them so they look new and shiny. But yeah, the Cabrio is gonna be sold. I'm gonna put it out in maybe 1 or 2 weeks. I'm just gonna go through Swedish inspection first, and then it's for sale. It's really sad because I really like that car. So the car is jacked up and we're gonna take off the headlights from the Cabriolet and from the red Golf VR6. And you're gonna be with me. We're gonna sand them down. I'm gonna show you which grid I use, and then you're gonna be with me in the paint booth for this time. So hopefully you like that content. But over actually to dismounting the headlights, and I have to stop talking. So guys, you actually saw me dismount the headlights for the MK3 on the red one. So I have my sanding machine. We have a 240 grid that we begin with. We're gonna only take away the black area here because I'm gonna save it up here and underneath. I think that could be a good look. So 240, 320, 500, and I think I'm actually gonna finish off with the 800 grid. Then we're gonna apply the plastic primer. I'm gonna show you what I use, and we're just gonna dust it over. And then we're gonna go in the paint booth, and my dear girlfriend is actually behind the camera now, so I'm gonna get some help from her because I have a quite expensive camera. I'm not gonna film with that close to the clear coat, but you're gonna be with me in the paint booth, so that's gonna be really fun to show off for you.
So guys, I just want to stop and show you, so you can actually see the sharp edge from where the tint actually is. So that's actually the plastic that we're sanding on, and this is actually a clear coat with the tint on. So if you're gonna do this with clear coat, you have to sand them down exactly the same as we did now, and apply the clear coat with the tint in it. Check it over with some grease remover, and you will see if you have missed anything. But I'm gonna keep on sanding. I'm not gonna have you on time lapse, that's boring. So over to the next stage. Guys, over to the blue suit, and we're ready to go into the paint booth. I've already been in there. We have a front fender that had a damage on the cab, so I fixed that. It's a candy blue. I'm gonna go more in detail of every car, but for now we're gonna focus on the headlights. I'm gonna mix up some clear coat, and what I use is always Standox. This one is a crystal clear, and that's what we're gonna use today. That's like the main clear coat. It's nothing fancy, but it's not bad. So we're gonna mix that up. Guys, welcome into my paint booth. We prepared everything with masking. We didn't want to bore you with all the masking. That's actually what almost takes the longest time. Wax and grease remover, so we're just gonna add that. That's just to actually take off some residue, or if we had some silicone in there. That's something you don't want to have on here. So just wax and grease remover. We're gonna add the plastic primer, and then it's actually ready for clear. So stay tuned for that. Grease remover. Now over to the plastic primer, or in German, Kunststoffhaftkleber. We're gonna add this, just spray a thin layer over, and it's so hot in here today, so that's gonna dry up quite fast, and that's no worries. So that's what I use. That's the plastic primer. And then we are actually going to shoot everything with the first layer. That's called a sticky layer. And we want more shine than usual on paint, so we're going to do 2 layers, 2.5 layers. I'm just going to add a little spray over the headlights, and then over to clear coat. So guys, the first layer we call sticky coat. So just put a thin coat on to actually get the clear coat to stick. And don't be afraid if it looks really strange or bubbly. That's gonna fix itself when you put the second and the third layer on. So we're gonna wait just 10 minutes. It doesn't look good now, but wait for the results. It's gonna look awesome. If you actually are interested in more of this content, please comment that in the comment section below. But now over to making it shiny. Guys, this is actually it for this episode. I really hope you like the mix of the content today. We can only actually be angry at the post office for actually just making my tires disappear. But I hope in the next episode we can see the new wheels and the new tires. I'm so stoked to actually air out the car and see it on the ground. But this is for today's vlog. And if you want to see more details, or if you just think it's fine, please comment in the comment section below. Hit that like button. If you haven't, please subscribe to this channel so you can see more of this epic content. And over and out from us. Hej då!